Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial about how to use Weebly. By the end of this video you should know how to use the pages, setting up navigation, headers, the photos for those headers, text for those headers, general page organization, themes, margins, how to use basically everything you need to know to get started on making a great website. So to get started, you can see here on the pages section I have it tiered. This means that in the built-in Weebly navigation system it's going to appear like this with the example main page and then the example subpage and then the subpage on that one. And then same thing, the second main page. So you can see that this has a little house right here that represents that it is the main web page on the website. So if this were to be an actual website and we were to go to it, that would be just the regular .com. There we go. So then we have this subpage and then the next one, and then it's pretty self-explanatory as to that. So to set it up, all you need to do is just take it, and when it's created, it'll look like this. Just drag it over a little bit, and it will automatically be sorted, and then automatically be set up for navigation. Alright, so there are two types of headers that you can have on your website. The first kind is the one that you see right here, which can be edited simply by clicking on the Edit button, and then changing whatever you like. You can either add an image or add text. You can see here I have this image, which we can scale just like this, and then we have this text which we can edit however we like simply by typing in whatever we want to say. So that's basically that kind. Next kind we can add by going onto the page's details page, and then you see header type. Select which type of header you want there. You can have a tall header which will look like this, and then you can edit whatever image and text you want to have on that. To add a layout, all you need to do is click the choose a layout button, and then it will load all the layouts that you can add to your website. So you can see that we have a large list to choose from, and there are different ones for different types of things that you want to do. So if I just select this first one right there, you can see it's going to ask me if I want to keep it. I can just click keep, and then I can edit all of these like I'd edit them on a regular page. You can create your own layout simply by dragging things from the build box onto your page. So you can see here this is a title which is going to be large text, and then we can have some smaller text. Now the formatting here doesn't look that great. As you can see, it's exactly in line, and it doesn't really look that unique, and if I were to actually put some words in here, it would just look boring. This can be solved with spacers and dividers that you can see under structure. So a divider would give us the opportunity to go like this, and then put this vertical divider between the two. The spacer allows us to space things out. Now these dashed lines aren't actually going to be seen on your website, it's going to be completely blank. But as you can see, you can click on this line here and move back and forth that way, and then like this. To add an image to your website, under the build section, just drag on the image. Now because I have the spacer here, I have to be a little careful because I can either put it above, the side, or below. Where I want to actually put it is below this text. So I can see that I have that blue bar right there. I can make sure it's there, and then boom, it's going to go right under the text. Now there are a couple ways to actually upload an image onto your site. The first way would be just drag it on from your desktop like you probably normally do. However, there is also a second way to do this. If you click on the edge right here, make sure you're not actually clicking on the photo itself, it has to be inside the box. You can see that I can edit the image or replace the image. If I click replace image, I then get the same box from before, but if I go to image URL, I can then put the URL of a photo. So I have this stock photo here, this real artsy iPhone photo, but if I put in this URL, it's going to be the URL for the page. What I need to do is right click on it, open image in a new tab, and then I can see the actual photo that I need. I can copy this link, go back onto Weebly, and then paste it in. Then if I click insert, that's going to be the image that I use. Now this stock photo in particular didn't require it, but generally if you want to put a source to your image, you can click on it, and then go to caption, and then put whatever you want. And it will appear below your photo. To add a video onto your website, you can look at the YouTube selection under media, drag it onto your page, and then you see this default thing here. Now what you can do is click on that, and it's going to ask for a YouTube video URL. Over here I have a film theory video, and then I can just go click on the URL for that, copy it, and then paste it where it wants the URL. You can then see, boom, I have the video on my page. Now it's not actually going to play here, so if you try and play it and it's not working, you don't need to worry. It will work when the website's actually published. Adding buttons to your site can be a really helpful way to direct users onto a new page on your site or even a page somewhere else. All you need to do is the same as we've done before, drag it onto your page, click on it, and then you can see here it's going to say link, and then this can be a link to a different website, which you just need to put the link in there. Open a new window means it's going to open in a separate window different from your own. So that's not going to make them leave your page, it's just going to direct them to the next one. Or, under link again, you can go under standard page and then link it to a different page that you have on your website. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any more questions or if you have anything else that you want me to cover that you want me to make a video about, feel free to leave those in the comments. Have a great day.